Hey guys, it's Doug from Mustang Brothers. Giving a little update on the car. Just trying to figure out a good way for hood clearance, and kind of come up with this so far. Trying to figure out maybe a good way to mock this up. Not a lot of experience with fiberglassing. That's about what I need to clear the blower and run a hood. It's about 5.5 inches from the bottom to the top, roughly, or about a 6-inch cowl. Originally it was a 2-inch cowl, or 2.5-inch cowl. Didn't quite make it. As I got cut right now, it clears everything that it needs to over there, and it leaves me plenty of room to run a air inlet down to the filter to have it down in the fender and clear the hood. And then, try and figure out how to mesh this a bit. Use it as functioning. But yeah, if you guys have any input, please let me know down in the comments. Other than that, it's getting closer for time to get it tuned. I really want to try and get the air inlet done before tuning. Not concerned about the hood at the moment, but I really need to figure out how to place my air intake and filter before I go there, so I don't have to get it readjusted afterwards if I mess with it. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Maybe somebody has another suggestion on how to try and prep this. That'd be helpful. Alright guys.